Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve for the value of x in these radical equations. But here we have different values in the root. One is positive, one is negative. To do this, here we are going to write this as root x plus, while for the second one, we can write it as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of x equals 5. So this follows the rule of sort, and here, which is square root of minus 1, we are going to consider this from the complex rule that when you have square root of minus 1, this is just like I, and by taking the square of both sides, we have I square equals minus 1, and there is a complex value. That is, anywhere we see square root of minus 1, we call it I. Therefore, we have square root of x plus I square root of x equals 5. And to make this thing simple, we are going to let square root x equals y. Then we are going to make x the subject, that is y square equals x. On getting this, let's try to do the replacement. We have y plus iy equals 5. And we cannot take iy to the left hand side. What to do is we are going to square both sides. When we square both sides, so here we are going to have this then equals 25. By expanding y plus iy square, what we are going to have is y square plus 2iy square plus I square y square equals 25. And looking at this, y square and plus I square y square, they will cancel each other. The reason is I square here is just like minus 1. So let's try to replace it. Here we have y square plus 2iy square. Then we have this as minus y square equals 25, because I square is minus and plus times minus is minus. So y square cancelled y square, and we have 2iy square equals 25. But from here, and when we recall from the above that, let's say we divide both sides by 2i first before I recall. So by dividing that, we are going to have y square equals, here is 25 divided by 2i, and again here we have y square. Now we cannot recall that y square equals x, because what we need is x, not y. We just make this assumption though that it will be really handy. Then we have 25 multiplied by I, because we don't want I at the denominator. We need to rationalize this. So here we have this, and x equals, when we multiply 25 by I, we have it as 25i divided by, and here is I square, and I square is negative 1. So we pick that negative up. Therefore, x equals minus 25i. Yeah, minus 25i divided by 2. And here is the result. But I want us to note something here where I use this multiplication sign. We have 2i multiplied by I. Let's say we are dealing with in a vector space. I just wanted to get something right here, that this I multiplied by I mean multiplication here, not cross, because I cross I here, it equals 0. So my aim is I use multiplication, not cross. Actually, I'm not in a vector space, so just like ordinary algebra. So as usual, we are done, and here is the result that satisfies it. This means we get the complex solution that satisfies the radical equation above. If you have any other way of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.